well-kept two-bed home in Kendall. Located just 77 kilometers from Regina. Great open floor plan. Kendall has mail services, church and a restaurant opening soon. 13 kilometers to Montmartre, which has grocery store, gas station, K-12 school, park, outdoor pool, banks and much more. Fridge, stove, washer and dryer included. Fridge, stove, furnace and water heater new in the last 4 years. For more information please contact Candace McLeod at 530-7629 or email her at candace@exitrealtyfusion.com.